What's up everybody, Ryan here, coming at you from Uniontown, PA. Nothing too crazy today, just a preventative maintenance on all these York units. Gonna be washing some coils, changing filters, making sure the air conditioning is running. Look at this view. So I'm gonna bring you along. If I find anything cool, any of the units down, anything like that, I'll bring you back for that. So let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, I got most of the filters up here. The one box is a little too far away from the edge of the building. James is unlocking the roof hatch now. You can pull that box up. All right, apparently they're still getting the alarm deactivated. So we got to remove all of these hail guards to get in there. I wish there was an easier way. Really, they're not that dirty, but it's part of the PM to wash them, micro channel, so we're not going to use the chemical cleaner. We're just going to give them a good flush. So, wait for James to get up here. I'll have him start replacing all the air filters while I start pulling these hail guards off. And we'll give these suckers a good wash. One down, I think 11 more to go. Yeah, they're starting to plug up a little bit, so we'll clean these out real good. Anyway, I'll be back with you after I get all of these hail guards removed. All right, look at that. Found an easier way to do this. Just remove the top, and then we've got these clips here. Hold this mesh in, so we don't have to remove everything, so that's good. Learning something new every day. Anyway, I'm gonna carry on. Finding some dirty ones now. Oh yeah. Hopefully you guys have checked out my 2,000 subscribers giveaway video. I'm giving away some cool Vito Pro Pack swag stuff. So the video should be linked here at the end of this video. So click on that. All you gotta do is comment and subscribe and you're entered to win. I'll be giving that away on Saturday. All right guys, last one to remove the hail guard on, and then I'm gonna be running some hose. I got 300 feet pulled up here, so hopefully that'll be enough to get me all the way to this one. What's up, bro?
Nothing's going on.
How they looking, clean or are they looking dirty?
Filters?
Yeah.
Filthy.
Filthy?
Mm-hmm.
Really? All right, well, I'm gonna run that hose.
All right.
All right guys, I'm gonna string my hose out and I'm gonna actually start with the furthest one away, work my way back. This particular account I like. They provide a hose bib right at the top of the roof hatch, which is nice. A lot of stores we have, you know, there's no water access anywhere on the whole plaza or the whole building or anything, so this one's good. I should be able to pop this hatch open. They finally got the security alarm off, and there should be a water access right at the top. Yeah, there it is. Nice. Looks like it's got a square head on the end, but it looks like I can also get a flathead screwdriver in there. I don't have my water key up here with me, so I'm gonna get some hose strung out. Yeah, here we are. I'll see how far 300 feet gets me, and we will start washing these suckers. I'll grab another 50-footer just to get me to these 4. Actually, I'll have James get it when he's done replacing the filters. But for now, I'm gonna start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna clean these 8. We'll get that other hose here after a bit. And we should be good to turn the water on. Looks like they got good water pressure here. So I'd say we're good to start washing these coils. Okay. Kind of spitting a little bit of rain. All right. Well, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm sure everybody out there knows how to clean coils, but I like to hit them down first like this. Kind of knock this big stuff off. And I like to get it all down to the bottom. You can see it's all making its way down there. So just gonna hit it like this until I get all the big stuff off. And then I'm just gonna blast it through. I'm not pulling side panels and spraying it from the outside. These micro channels they've got a fairly large opening in there, and I'll be here all day if I start removing all these panels and getting them from the inside. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's get started. Oh yeah, I can see through them now. Still some water in there. I know you should probably blow these coils out with like a job site blower. I don't have one yet. That's next on my list. Anyway, let's go ahead and get up in here. Now when you're doing the inside, I like to just hit them across and knock down all that matted on stuff. And then luckily here we've got a good amount of water pressure, so clean them up, get some water through them, and you're good to go. All right guys, now that I knocked all the big stuff off of this interior coil or inside coil, I'm gonna use this, just a little wand. It's got a head you can position. It's real nice. You can get right in there and you can hit that coil real good with one of these. All right guys, as you can see, got a little lever here. Boom. She got pressure too, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that inside there, and we're gonna spray this out real good. All right guys, and while I've got the hose and while I'm at the unit, I'm gonna pull each trap and I'm gonna clean it out, and then I'm going to prime each trap. That way there's no dry traps when I am done. Alright guys, I got James over here cleaning coils now. It's kind of a bare bones PM here. Make sure they're running. both stages. We're gonna take a temp drop on them, and unless there's major issues, we're just to clean them, change filters, clean traps, check operation, and move on. So that's where we're at. That's what I'm doing. To be honest with you, it's a nice easy day. Oh yeah. Second stage isn't running, so we'll just jump it out real quick, make sure we're good to go, take a temperature drop, and we're gonna hit up every one of them. Looking good so far. We're knocking them out. Teamwork, yeah. Getting near the end now. Got a couple of the hoses wound up. James is cleaning the last few here. I'm getting these hail guards back on, giving them a quick look as he cleans them, and we kick them back on. All the traps have been flushed out. Make sure there's no major issues with any of them, and that they're all running. Taking temperature drops, that good stuff. Like I said, it's not a major PM. They're more or less just the maintenance on this one. So get this hail guard put on. We got 2 more to go, and then we're gonna go and double check and make sure every disconnect is on, every panel is screwed shut, and pick up any spare belts or anything we see laying around. Look at this gas line, freaking wind up here. But anyway, so that's where we're at. No geese here today, that's a good thing. No geese. Everything on? Everything's good? I like to hear that. Cleaning up the garbage, very nice. All right guys, it's gonna do it for this one. Nothing real special today, just cleaning some coils, changing some filters, and making sure the units are working. I appreciate you watching. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. That'll notify you anytime I got a new video coming out. Hit like. Click on this video right here. It's the 2,000 subscribers giveaway. So if you want some free Vito Pro Pack swag, all you got to do is leave a comment and subscribe. So hit it right now. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you on the next one.